Yeah, man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to make pea fritters with you guys, and I'm going to put a link to the website Healthy Little Foodies in the description here. That's where I got this recipe from, and I really love her recipe. This recipe is one that I found when I was looking for ways to get more iron into my kid after he measured a little low on iron during his 1-year appointment. These pea fritters are really easy to make, and other than the onion, all of the ingredients are things that you probably already have, you know, in your fridge or on your shelves in your kitchen. So it's really easy to just whip these up quickly and be able to have a delicious snack. You can also you know, put eggs over the top, fry up an egg and put it over the top and have it for a protein-filled breakfast.
Wow. Yeah, man. Get that vegetables and protein, baby.